Drooling is excess saliva that comes out of the mouth. While it can feel uncomfortable when it happens, most of us drool once in a while, especially during sleep. At night, your swallowing reflexes are relaxed just like the rest of the muscles in your face. This means that your saliva can accumulate and some can escape through the sides of your mouth. The medical term for drooling too much are sialorrhea and hypersalivation. Though drooling while you sleep is fairly common, sometimes drool is a symptom of a neurological condition, sleep disorder, or other health condition. You might drool more after a health event like a stroke or as a result of cerebral palsy or multiple sclerosis (MS). To find out more about why you drool and why to stop doing it, keep watching. What causes this? Sleep position. The most common cause of drooling while you sleep is so straightforward you might never have thought of it, and it has to do with the gravity. The position that you sleep in often leads to drool pooling inside your mouth. People who sleep on their side or on the stomach are more likely to drool when they sleep, especially if you tend to breathe through your mouth or if you have narrow sinus passages. The accumulated drool can begin to slip out from your lips when you open to breathe. Blocked sinuses. If you have nasal congestion due to a cold or infection, you might find you are drooling more than usual. If you have regularly inflamed or blocked sinus passages or narrower sinuses than other people, you might find yourself drooling all the time. Blocked sinuses make you more likely to breathe through your mouth while you're sleeping, and mouth breathing leads to more drool escaping your mouth. GERD, gastrointestinal reflex disorder. GERD is a digestive condition in which the contents of your stomach flow back into your esophagus, damaging the lining of your esophagus. GERD can cause diaphagia, difficulty swallowing, or make you feel like you have a lump in your throat. This feel leads to excessive drooling for some people. Here are some tips for improving your sleep if you have GERD. Medication side effects. Some medications can make you more prone to drooling. Antipsychotic drugs, especially clozapine, and medications used to treat Alzheimer's have been shown to cause excessive drooling. Some antibiotics can also result in sialorrhea. Swallowing disorders. Dysphagia is the term of any condition that creates a difficulty in swallowing. If you are drooling excessively, your drool might be a warning symptom. MS, Parkinson's, muscular dystrophy, and even some kind of cancer can cause dysphagia and lead to difficulty swallowing your spit. Sleep apnea. When you have a sleep apnea, your sleep is interrupted because your body stops breathing occasionally during the night. Drool can be a risk factor for sleep apnea. Sleep apnea can be very serious and should get a proper diagnosis. If you are drooling a lot at night, ask yourself if you have any of these other signs of sleep apnea, such as loud snoring, waking up feeling startled or out of breath during the night, attention problems or difficulty focusing during the day, drowsiness during waking hours, a sore throat or dry mouth upon waking. See the doctor if you have one or more of these symptoms in addition to drooling. The Cares and Cures team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your health and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your friends and family and do let us know what you think in the comments below. This video is solely for informational purposes. Do not self-diagnose or self-medicate, and in all cases consult a certified healthcare professional before using any information presented in this video. The editorial board does not guarantee any result and does not bear any responsibility for any harm that may result from using the information provided in this video.